Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the asset and the destination. Upload a web-optimized image to Media Library and copy the exact URL or note the target page ID. Once done, open the post or page in the block editor. You need editing permissions, so make sure you're editor or admin. This step avoids broken links and slow pages later. Now select the image block and get ready to convert it into a clickable element that points to your chosen URL or media file. You now create the link. Click the image block, then the link icon in the toolbar. Paste the destination URL or type to search internal content and choose it. This binds the image to the target. For advanced control, open the block settings to toggle Open in New tab so navigation stays user-friendly, or add rel attributes for SEO considerations. Make sure to test the pasted URL for typos. This middle step is about precise linking and preserving UX and search behavior. Finish by previewing and clicking the image to confirm the destination loads. If the link fails, reopen the image block and verify the exact URL or chosen post. Permalinks or trailing slashes often break links. Once you fix the link, clear any caching, both browser and plugin, and resave the page so changes propagate. If problems persist, switch temporarily to a default theme or disable plugins to isolate conflicts. This troubleshooting tip helps you quickly identify whether the issue is configuration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.